The 2025 Corvette Zora Pickup is one of the most anticipated vehicles in the automotive world, blending the legendary performance of the Corvette with the utility of a pickup truck. This bold move by Chevrolet is a game-changer, pushing the boundaries of what a performance vehicle can achieve. The Zora Pickup is designed to appeal to a new generation of buyers who demand the thrill of a sports car with the practicality and versatility of a truck. Visually, the 2025 Corvette Zora Pickup retains the aggressive, aerodynamic lines that have made the Corvette an icon. The front features the familiar wide grille and sharp LED headlights, but with a more rugged stance thanks to a higher ride height and reinforced bumpers. The pickup bed itself is compact yet functional, offering just enough space for everyday tasks, from hauling gear to carrying large items. Despite being a pickup, the Zora retains its sleek, aerodynamic silhouette, making it stand out from other pickups on the road. The body is crafted from lightweight yet durable materials, ensuring a balance between strength and performance. Inside, the Zora Pickup offers a luxurious cabin that blends technology and comfort, borrowing elements from the Corvette's cockpit. The interior features high-quality leather upholstery, premium trim materials, and a driver-centric design. The dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to stay connected while on the move. The instrument cluster is fully digital, offering customizable displays that give drivers all the necessary information at a glance. Although it's a pickup, the Zora doesn't skimp on comfort, offering heated and ventilated seats, premium sound systems, and ample legroom for both the driver and passengers. Under the hood, the 2025 Corvette Zora Pickup is powered by a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine, delivering an astounding 650 horsepower and 650 pounds-feet of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, allowing for smooth and rapid gear shifts. The Zora Pickup is equipped with Chevrolet's magnetic ride control suspension system, ensuring that the ride is both comfortable and stable, even when carrying heavy loads. Despite being a truck, the Zora Pickup is capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest pickups in the world. One of the standout features of the Zora Pickup is its advanced towing capabilities. With a towing capacity of up to 8,000 pounds, the Zora can handle most recreational or work-related hauling tasks with ease. Whether it's towing a boat, a trailer, or a heavy load, the Zora Pickup offers the performance and power that enthusiasts have come to expect from the Corvette name. Additionally, the truck features an innovative all-wheel drive system that maximizes traction and stability, ensuring optimal performance on both paved roads and off-road terrain. Safety features are a top priority in the 2025 Corvette Zora Pickup, with the full suite of advanced driver assistance technologies, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These features make the Zora Pickup not only a powerful performance vehicle but also a practical choice for those who value safety and convenience. The 2025 Corvette Zora Pickup is a stunning combination of performance, practicality, and luxury. Whether you're using it for daily tasks, weekend adventures, or simply